Hello, I hope you're ready to make some noise. We're going to be clapping and we're going to be stomping and we're going to be doing lots of counting. Counting. So are you going to be ready? So if you are 4 or even if you're 3, have you got any little people with you that are 3? And if you're 4 and even if you're 5, and what about if you are even 6? You can have a go at this and enjoy stomping and counting. We can start counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to count with our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep clapping. 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to stop with our feet. Stop your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3 with your feet. I'm moving my feet, you can't see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to start a watch party so that if you're on the other one, you can see the watch party. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomping and counting. Stomping, whoops, I'm writing, stomping and counting. You still stomping? Stomping and counting. Early years, that's if you're 3 or 4 or 5, you can all join in and stomp. And you know what? Let's do some maths gym. We can do maths gym. People of all ages can do this. Let's all join in and have a maths gym, stomping and counting. So, oh my goodness. Oh, you could only see the middle part of me. Right, so that's why I've got to move back. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start making sure we can count to 20. And grown-ups, if you're there, stop when we get comfortable. Oh, look at me. Yes, that's good. You just see the middle part of me. That's all right. Not, there we go. Don't want to question there. And are you ready? Are you ready to start stomping and counting? So we're going to start with going to 20. Now, I'm going to move back here so you can see all of me, not just the middle part of me. That was silly. Right, that's better. Okay, ready? We're going to go, first of all, to 20. Grown-ups, if you can keep going with the little ones and they can just copy you, when you do this every day, do it up to where a little stretch. There's always going to be a little stretch for them when they're solid with it. Stretch it some more. So go to 20, go to 10, and then to 20, and then to 30, and then skip counting. Ready? Right, you ready, everybody? We're going to go with we're going to start with 10, and then we're going to go to 20, and then we're going to go to 30. Oh, 30? Oh, let's see, well, if you're 6, 30 is not bad, but let's see how we do it. Ready? I'm going to stomp my legs. There you go. Can you see my legs going up and down? That'd be good exercise for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do you know what I'm doing? My feet and my hands aren't stomping at the same time. I think we need to start that again. I'm going to stomp my hands and my feet at the same time. See if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We went right past 10, didn't we? Oh my goodness, we're at 15. Let's keep going. 15, what comes after 15? 15, 16. Right, ready? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes after 20? One more than 20. You ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Oh, my goodness. Right, so that would be going to 10, going to 20, going to 30. If you're not solid past 20, then stick with 20 until you're solid to 20, and then go to 30. You can go to 30 every now and then for fun, but you're solid every day, go to 20. Solid every day, go to 10 until it's solid. Right, now, what we're going to do is we're going to get some bits of paper, and we're going to put some numbers on them. We're going to match the numbers with what's on the bits of paper. So we've had these before, and oh wait, I've got some in my hat. Well, we're going to make rods this time. We're going to make rods, and I've got all these bits of paper that I've been saving from bits of card that I've been saving from all the other activities we've been doing. So you just get 10 of these. You only need, well, you get as many as you're counting. And the idea is that we're going to write a number. So if you can just get a bit of paper, or just thinking of Leo, because I think Leo's watching on his own. We can get, you know what you can do? Get a piece of paper, just get a big piece of paper and write a number on the big piece of paper. And then you can choose whatever, that one's been used 2 or 3 times, so we don't need to use that one again. So we'll just use this bit of paper. I'm going to write the number 5. So you can, oh my goodness, you can say a big yay when you get to the number 5, for example. You can do lots of different types of versions of games, but we're connecting that number with what we're doing. So, ready? So we're going to go to 10, and we've chosen number 5. We can choose different numbers. We want to see them written down so we identify the code of the number, what it looks like. Ready? 1, no, the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! 6, whoops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! Okay, so we want to, as much as possible, identify the numbers with counting. Count lots and lots and lots of things. It's great fun counting loads and loads and loads of things. And you can get lots of write a number on just bits of card. Just get bits of cardboard boxes and write the number on, and then you can sort the numbers and make sure they're all in the right order. You can use that if you're adding on and subtracting as well. So now we're going to do something. Now this could be, you could maybe start at 10, you could even start at 3. Sometimes it's good to, well, let's do it. Let's model all the different things, and then remember when you do it, when you're really good at doing the first one, then you move on to the next one. So we're going to start with counting down. Now, when I do this, I like to have a balloon. Now, if you might not have a balloon, you might have a round balloon. If we've got a round balloon, you might be able to inflate it. And if you don't have a balloon, then I've got something here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Well, here it is. A ball. You can use a ball, anything you like. So we're going to do counting down. You ready? So we're going to count up first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And now we're going to count down, starting with 3. And if you don't have a balloon, a little round one's fine. It's just, this is the shape that I happen to have. Round one's fine. If you don't have a balloon, just throw something in the air. I'm going to do both if I can. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. I think I need a brighter balloon so you can see if it goes off into the end there, into the other end of the room. Okay, right, brighter balloon. Ooh. Okay, now we're going to go count down from 10. Or no, we'll start with 5. We'll start with 3, and then you decide if you need to practice 3, then practice 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Oh dear, what is it? Oh dear, dear, dear. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. I've done this before. There's another one right in that corner. Okay, here we go. Ready? Now we're going to go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You inflate your balloon as much as you can. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. I'll get out of the way so you can see it. Woo. Oh dear. It's gone back in that hole again. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. How am I going to get it out of there? There we go. Ah, that is it. I've got it. I've got it. Right, here we go. Oh, now, let's go to 20. Let's inflate the balloon first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now 20. Starting at 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Whoops. This is hard. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Stop. Here we go. Let's see if it does a good one because that's the last one. Ooh. That was a good one. That was a good one. Okay. Oh, right. So we've got now. We've done counting down. Now we've done clap counting, but you know what we're going to do? Instead of counting on every single number, the next step is to count on every other number. Now you do whichever one, you practice the one that works for you, and then you can keep going. This is like you start at the bottom and you can work your way all the way to the top until you can do something even bigger later. But right now we're going to count. Watch this. Ready? First we're going to count. We're not going to clap on every number. We're not going to say 1, 2, 3. We're going to clap on every other number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we can stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can stop at 20 for now. We could keep going if you want to. So should we do that one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey, the next thing you're going to do is going to whisper the number that you're not clapping. You ready? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then eventually you won't even say the number that you're whispering. And that's, you keep going up and up and up and up until you get there. So I'm talking to all the children from age 4 to 6 here. And as you get older, you keep practicing. And then you will find out which one you want to practice at. And then you can go on to the next one when you've got that, when you're really good at that, the one that you're doing. And now, of course, now we're going to actually make that even more fun. We're going to, instead of just stomping, we're going to jump. Are you ready? Should we do that again? We're going to jump. Let's do it. Okay. So this time, whoops, I'm just going to think the number in my head. 2, 4, 8. I don't think I did that right. Did you hear that? What did I do? Okay. Help me out here. I need all the help I can get. You ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yes! Oh, we did it. Oh my goodness. You see, I need to practice as well. Did you notice that? Okay. And then taking from there, you can keep counting, you can go even higher, you can go to 30, and you can, ooh, shall we just practice this? Shall we see if we can do it? Instead of clapping every other time, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to do it every 3 numbers. I'm going to give that a go. And then as you get older and you get more experienced, you can choose other ways, other numbers to skip as well. You ready? Ready? But this time we're going to count them all. This time we are going to count them all. We're just going to be more adventurous. Okay, 1, 2, just jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, we kept going. Oh my goodness, it goes further when you're counting in threes. Oh, so that's something you can do, and just play that one. And you can, if you're with friends, or you can, if you're on Zoom, you can still play that game, and you can play it with anybody that you know that's older. If you know someone called Amelia or Maisie, maybe you could play that with them. And let me see, that covers, so we started with just counting, no, we started counting to 10, just in ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we went to 20, then we went to 30, and then we started counting every other 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we did other crazy things, and we found out what the numbers look like, and we have found a game where you could stop and shout hey whenever you got to that number while you're counting. And then we counted backwards. We started from 3, then we started from 5, then we started from 10, and then we went all the way from 20. And then we decided to do something even more adventurous, and we counted in threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I wonder what other numbers you can count in. Do it as you get better and better, as you get happy doing one thing, or keep doing them all until you get better and better and better. You want all of this to build up till you'll find that the more you do this, the more you can do. And that's how it works. So let me see if we've had any comments here. Oh, let me see what's going on here. Hello. Right, I'm going to say hello to people. Russell, Lucy, hello, Salvo, Aileen, Elena, and Chris. Thank you for joining. And then we have over here somewhere, not there, and not there, maybe here. That'd be a good place to look. See if there's any other messages. And then that'll be all for today. But please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Bubbly Maths and Maths Toys YouTube channel. And please do, if you like what you're seeing in this group, please do share it on Facebook, on wherever else, get people to come and join us every day, because we're doing at 9 o'clock, we're doing sessions for 7 to 18-year-olds, and at 10 o'clock we're doing the early years sessions for sometimes 5 and 6-year-olds, sometimes for the 6-year-olds. Do what works best. You don't have to, if what we're doing, like for example, yesterday we were doing triangles, and my grandson drew triangles, drew beautiful circles, and that's what he was, you're not being tested on this. This wants to be a way of stimulating yourself and your child, giving ideas to everybody and making it fun. Now, what I'm doing here, I cannot see the messages. So if you did leave any messages, I'm really sorry, I can't see them. Having said that, I enjoyed the session, and I'll see you tonight at 8. Will be preparation for tomorrow. So if you can, don't have to be on the live, but the preparation will be there with the resources to print out if you need any resources for tomorrow. We don't need any for this one. The earlier one, we needed some circles basically, and then for this upper secondary, there was a resource that they needed. So, but it's just that you can do these all at home. You can draw them, and you can draw circles, and you can draw lines, and you can make a big square of 100 little boxes with 100 numbers. That's all that it had to be. And that if you prepare that in advance, then you can enjoy this, make more of the session. Right, I'm leaving at that, going away now, and I will see you all at 8 o'clock tonight. Thank you very much. See you next time.